Hello. So here's my unboxing of the Momentum wireless headphones. Here's the box. And cut this bad boy open. Okay. Let's go ahead and make sure we got this in focus. Right about there is the focus point. Okay. So it looks like I gotta have this thing down. There we go. That should come out. Okay, so looks like we have kind of a snug fitting foam container. Holds it all in there, and you know, this is nice and simple. You know, the book that nobody wants to read sitting in there. Momentum 2 over the ear, around ear Bluetooth. So the M2 means Momentum 2. AE is around ear versus the OE, which is on ear, and BT is wireless Bluetooth. So, interestingly enough, the actual box itself only says Momentum Wireless. It doesn't say 2, which is interesting because these are definitely made way better, the Momentum 2s. They're more comfortable and bigger to fit around the ears, so you want to make sure you get that. So that might throw people off to see the, you know, not see the 2 there. But when you look at the actual tag, you can see you know, the AEBT on it. Well, you can see the manufacturer date I saw on here. And you can see the M2-AEBT right there on the outside. So that's where you can tell it's the Momentum 2. So it's really not a lot of, you know, doesn't really make it very clear on the outside of the box that it's the second version, but this is. So I'll try to figure out where I saw that manufacturing date a moment ago. Oh, right here. So at the very bottom here of the UPC code, you can see 20150213. So that means it was made in 2015 on, looks like February 13th. And this is Rev 02, so it's the second revision. So anyway, so let's get into the actual case itself. And so it opens up like this. You just got a round zip, and you have inside of the case there's like this mesh kind of holder here, and it looks like it has a plug just like the other one. It is a 3-prong plug on one side and then 2 on the other side, which is interesting. Maybe there's a mic in line. And then there is a charger cable, so a standard charging cable. And then an airplane adapter. And you know, the silica gel comes in everything. So I'm going to put these up for now, because I don't think I'm going to need those for my testing. So the headphones are inside of another bag themselves. Maybe you want to store them in a bag outside of that case. It's interesting they chose 2 bags. And here's the headphones. So, oh wow. So they store it with a bit of foam in the ear cups. You can tell right away there's a lot of play here. You could have a really large head and still use these. Oh, there's a nice like kind of hologram effect on the Sennheiser logo on the left. Has a standard little pieces of sticker to protect the, you know, the cups or the material inside of the cup. Looks like it's just along the trim there. It's not over the whole cup. And then, so as far as buttons, we have on the right-hand side here, we have the charger, and then the optional, audio cable there. Has a large microphone there. Then it has volume up and down, and then a power on and off. And on the other side, looks like we just have microphones. All right, so we have a microphone here, and a microphone there. And then it looks like NFC right here. So it looks, from what I'm seeing, it looks like there's 3 mics. So, and I'll go ahead and get a picture with them on. I'll go sit in that chair over there. Sorry if the focus is off here. So here they are with them on. It's actually kind of hard to tell at first glance which side is left and which side is right. I would assume that this is the right because the controls are there on the right and would be easier to push with your thumb on the back. It's my bread machine. So these might have arrived with no charge at all. So that is what I'll be doing first, is charging these things up.